see you through any crisis, pray with you, and I will be with you at every step of our life, wherever our journey leads us, in good times and especially in bad times. That's all.
First of all, I just want to thank the Lord and for all the people who came tonight to our special day. And I'm very so happy that we successfully made this special day. And now you're my wife. And I can call your mom, Mama. Mama! And hi, Mama Ligaya.